How to turn Bitcoin into profits. Hi, my name is Erik Burton with ericburton.com. I have been working on this type of strategy for the last couple of years. I found a few platforms that are really working well for me. Most people go the way of the retail route of just purchasing a Bitcoin for $55,000, $60,000+, whatever it's trading at right now. And then they're just sitting on it, okay, and waiting for it to go up or down, okay? Now, that is a decent strategy for long term. January of 2024, Bitcoin on the 1st of January was about 42,000. Currently, it's August 19th of 2024, and Bitcoin's right at $60,000. So there is quite a bit of profit there, obviously approximately 50% or so. And it's been up quite a bit higher. It's been up to $75,000 or so in 2024. What's it going to do going forward? Well, that is a little bit of a mystery, but I do understand that it's probably going to be going into the hundreds of thousands of dollars, because as we speak, until about 2036, everyone's mining Bitcoin. Okay, but they don't especially understand how to mine it. Okay, and with information here, cloud mining profits depend on Bitcoin's price. Well, yes and no, but in order to get set up, it makes it simpler for cloud Bitcoin mining. And the two platforms I'm going to show you here in a moment are two separate platforms that I've been actually earning quite a bit of Bitcoin or BTC rewards every single day. And it's encouraging to me because I'm harnessing as much Bitcoin or BTC as I can up till about 2036, like I said, when Bitcoin's going to be about 99% harvested or mined, if you will. And then what do you think is going to happen at that point? What do you even think it's going to be per coin in 2035, 2036? You think it's going to be double what it is now? No, it's probably going to be 10 or 15, maybe even 20x. And a lot of people like myself and maybe even you are going to regret if they don't jump on it right now in the middle, or actually at the beginning of what it's actually doing and what is capable of Bitcoin at this point. I'm not a person who is going to say that I know everything about it, but what I do know is very, very encouraging. Let's look at the first platform that I have for you. This platform is called Cryptex. I've been in this platform for almost a year, about 11 months now. And I can tell you that it is consistent. I have been making consistent withdrawals. Click on the link in the description below if you're interested in finding out. Get on my email list and you can join for free and then find out with the Cryptex review page that I offer you, so you can get all the details and the information. I will say that up to this point, my earnings are about $417,000 in staking rewards for Bitcoin, BTC. Now, you may think, wow, Erik, that's a lot. It's like, well, part of it has come from the actual actions that I've taken in staking contracts that they offer. And this is a company that gets into the mining pools of Bitcoin. It doesn't make you or force you to do it on your own, because doing it on your own becomes a little more difficult. There are some positives and there are a few negatives. The negative being that you don't have total control over what happens with those pools or what happens with this platform, but I can say that I have been making consistent withdrawals. I'll show you that here in a moment. And then also, my rewards referral staking is about 240,000 of that 417,000, and it's really just promoting it and showing other people what's possible and what's capable, okay, of mining Bitcoin via the cloud. Remember what I said before, you really want to start trying to earn BTC rewards as soon as possible, and those BTC rewards basically are just rewards of Bitcoin itself. You can get it sent into your direct BTC wallet at some point. And with this platform, you'll be able to see my withdrawal overview. And these are just some of the withdrawals that I've had in the past 8 months. And I put a lot towards putting it back into the staking. And there is also a benefit that I offer if someone joins under me through Cryptex and they purchase 10 separate contracts, which actually there's a package for 10 separate contracts, 10 total contracts, I will give you a free contract. I will send you another $100, which I can do via this platform, internal transfer, as you can see there. And I've done that with quite a few of my signups. This is something that is a great opportunity. I consistently get a wallet balance every day, every week, and I actually collect that monthly. And I get that withdrawal and I send it to my Bitcoin wallet on my cold storage wallet. So Cryptex is something wonderful and very possible for you. It's been going for quite a long time. Click on the link in the description below and you can get more free information on Cryptex. This is Bitharvest with bitharvest.info. And this platform is slightly different from the Cryptex platform, whereas you can collect your BTC rewards on a daily basis. This has a wonderful referral platform as well, as I can show you a little bit of detail where I've become a 1-star so far in the referral platform. I have purchased 1.2 bit boosters. I have 9,000 in direct sales and over 10,000 in total team sales so far. And this has been about 4 months now. And this is a platform that I have taken from 39 cents a day in BTC rewards to over $12 to $15 consistently a day in BTC rewards. As you can see here, my BTC rewards for today were $4.83 plus my $7.27. So that's about $12 today. That's a significant move from 39 cents a day. And I've done that in 4 months. I started with 0. Now, you do need to start with $100 or a shared bit booster with this platform in order to start referring others and collecting commissions off of that. Okay, and let me show you my BTC wallet so you can understand. Now, there's a lot of information to this. I don't want to go into too much detail. You can click on the link in the description below and sign up for my free information on Bitharvest, and it will give you all the detailed information you need. But we have a BTH wallet, we have a USDT wallet, a purchase wallet, my BTC or Bitcoin wallet, my commission wallet, and my registrar wallet. Let's look at my BTC wallet and see what we've done, okay, so far. We've got ranking income. Ranking income is from my referrals as well as mining rewards per day. And you can see my ranking income went up significantly. And that's what happens whenever you continue to press to earn more BTC rewards online. So I am currently getting my BTC rewards up to approximately $400 per day in BTC with both Cryptex and Bitharvest, but actually the Cryptex has gone up significantly, so I'm earning upwards of $800 per day there. So with Bitharvest, it's going to be basically the same thing, and I can actually improve and increase Bitharvest as well. So you can see here 35 cents was my first mining reward. Okay, so it's significant to notice that. And then within 4 months of really not promoting too much at all, but doing a little bit at a time, you can see my mining rewards now is about $4.83. So that's about a 12x improvement, if not a little bit better than that with Bitharvest. And you can definitely see that I'm turning this over. I'm actually compounding it. This is something slightly different from Cryptex. Cryptex, you can compound automatically, but with this, I do it manually for myself. And then I try to communicate with my other leads and direct downlines that are actually doing the same thing I am to help them compound their back office as well. So once this gets to $100, which actually will be by tomorrow, then I will turn it over into another bit booster, which starts to earn me more and more Bitcoin every single day. So just imagine taking this from 39 cents a day and in 1 year turning it over to where I'm doing about $300 to $500 in Bitcoin per day because of my actions and taking it every single day and trying to turn it back over and or compound my Bitcoin earnings. Now, this platform is wonderful. It's free to join. Click on the link in the description below, and I will see you on the next video.